All right, there we go. Here's a second down for the blank for wood vise screw. I've soaked it in mineral oil, hope for less chipping. And I think I am all ready to go. Got the vacuum hooked up this time. Hopefully I'll have less time of churning it. Plus I put in a new router bit. Hopefully that will make quite a bit of difference. So hopefully I set the router bit the same right height. If not, well, I'll reset it. Here we go. All right, what a difference that made. Had the dowel a little bit thinner, about a couple thousandths than what I had last time. Soaking in oil maybe made a difference, definitely made a difference on the chip out. That looks really decent now. And along with the fact that a new router bit may have made the whole world of difference. And the vacuum. Too many factors.